Alright, we are at the Biltmore Greensboro Hotel in Greensboro, North Carolina. And we got a 1920 Warner gated vintage elevator. It's got a Bakelite Otis call button. Oh, I dropped my hat. But wait till you see on the inside. Look at this. I find something weird. Look at this gap between the main door and this gate. Somebody could have easily, like, get their body stuck between the door and then the elevator car itself, and that could lead them falling to the shaft. So with that, let's open the gate. Look at this beauty. This thing is amazing. TJ Elevator Fan, The Wild Deeper, and BC Elevators filmed this. Thank you so much! Alright, let's get a cab view of this beauty. This is a nice elevator. Look at this beauty. This thing's amazing. These are your fixtures. It's a Warner elevator. And this elevator was installed in 1920. Alright, let's listen to the motor, shall we? Let's take it up to 3. Here we go. Single speed traction. Alright, let's go on to 1. This is top driven, not bottom drive. We're gonna listen to that motor again. This thing's awesome. Stops with a bump. Let's take another ride on this. This thing's amazing. I love this elevator. Here are the retiring cams. Alright, let's see what the call station is like on this floor. Ooh, that's your original call button right there. The call button in the lobby was replaced with an Otis Bakelite black button. That's your completely original call button right there. Feels good, doesn't it? Let's go back inside. Spring-loaded inner gate. Alright, let's stop it on 2. Listen to this motor. Big thanks to the Biltmore for allowing me to film your awesome elevator. God, this gate. Same call button. Alright, let's go back inside. Oh, we got a call. Going down?
Yeah.
You can come inside. You can come inside. I got permission.
Oh, okay.
I'm just an elevator photographer, that's all.
Oh, okay.
What floor are you going, ma'am?
1.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. I just have to hold the button down.
Oh, okay.
I'm giving this bestie up one more ride, and I'm going to end the video down at the bottom floor.
Oh, okay.
There, I got the door for you, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a great day.
You too. Or let's get one last cab view of this beauty, and we'll take it for one more ride. This thing's awesome. Alright, let's see what happens if I just press the button slightly. Oh, it does work. I thought you have to hold the button down for a sec. Now let's see if the elevator will function if I press the button when I open the gate. Let's press 1. Let's see if it'll function. Oh, no, it doesn't. Alright, we will end the video here. Again, a big thanks to the Biltmore for allowing me to film your amazing elevator. Here's your one last cap view of this. In case of fire, use stairs. Look at that light right there. You going up? Mm-hmm. Alright, thank you so much for allowing me to film your elevator. I'm just about done.
Did you know that, were you aware that it's still all the same working parts?
Yes, I do know that. See, that button right there was replaced. That's your original Otis black button. You do? Uh-huh. You're going to show me?
I have the original button right here.
Wow. Cool.
The only thing that's different now than it was in 1920 when it was installed is for the cables that pull it up and down.
Wow, so that original button was on that call station right there.
Yes, uh-huh. Sure was.
Are you keeping this?
Yes, I am.
Alright. Alright, so with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.